Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix 0x000003e3 printer error on Windows 10 or Windows 11 guys. Let's fix it guys. For that, go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Click on open it. Click on other troubleshooters and select the printer troubleshoot to run. In here follow the instructions and click yes guys, and hopefully this can able to resolve a problem, and this will help you to resolve our problem guys. And this doesn't resolve a problem, let's move on to the next solution. For that, go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. Search for print spooler service. Search for it, print spooler service. Double click on it and startup type change to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, you just want to start it guys. Select apply and okay, and that's all you have to do it guys. Now your problem has been resolved, and that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.